Hi coders, welcome to my channel. I am bringing up a series where every day I will be uploading a very simple and basic code and you all can follow it with me. It will be there in Java, C++ and Python. This series is mainly for the absolute beginners, those who want to start coding but they are not able to do so because of the fear of DSAs. They think coding is mostly of DSA and the hard questions, but it is not so. You all can start by writing a very simple code. This channel is bringing you up with a series where you can learn every day, practice it every day along with me, write the most simple and the basic codes, and grip yourself. This is as an opportunity for the people, those who fear to start coding. For the students who want to start coding but they are in illusion and fear. So, from next, we'll start from the day one. See you all in the next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.